mutable and immutable. Let us see that concept now. In Python, most of the data types are immutable. First, let us see what is mutable. For example, let us create a simple list. Fruits. This is list. In this list, if we wish to change the first value, we can change. There is one inbuilt function called id, which prints the memory location of the variable. For example, let us see the memory location of fruits. It is showing this memory location. Now let me change the value of fruits. Instead of banana in the first place, I am going to add orange. Now let us print the value of id of fruits. You can notice it is same. Now let us do the same activity with a string. S equal to Indian servers. Now Indian servers will be created in memory and S will refer to Indian servers. If we type id of S, that memory location or id will be printed. You can notice this is a new number. Now I am changing the value of S. Let me create one more. Now S is completely referring to new memory location. So ID will be changed. Here you can notice two different numbers, right? Immutable objects will not allow us to override the values. For example, S of 0. If you mention something here, it's going to throw an error. You can notice string is immutable object, so it's not allowing us to override the specific value. But for mutable like lists, we can change the value, we can override the value.